Alright, what's up, everybody? Sorry about the delay. We've been out of town and no video runners. So, this is for the toilet paper Raz. I've already copied and pasted the 10 names over into random.org. Come down here and type live real quick. Get this going. Alright, current time of 12:26. 12:26 and 12:26 on the random. We are in Elite, so we got to go 7 times. We got Lacey, Ryan, Jesse, Emmanuel, Cole, Emmanuel, Mike, Jesse, Lacey, and Derek. 7 times, as always, good luck. We got Cole after 1, Emmanuel, Ryan, Lacey, Ryan, and Jesse after 6. Current time is still 12:26. 12:26, last and final good luck. Jesse stayed on top. Congratulations. UWDGTW is the verification code. And we are done. Current time of 12:26, 12:26, and 12:26. Congratulations, Jesse. Sorry to everyone else.